Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have xy and negative 2y we put in here. The reason I need to do about factorization. So y and y, we have s minus 2, negative number 4 and number 8. That's about number 4. This one s negative number 3, number 9. We have s minus 2, s minus 2. This one the s will go to the right, y minus 4 minus 3 will go to the left. So we will have about y minus 3 over y minus 4 dy equals to s minus 2 over s minus 3 ds. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to add negative number 1. That means we need to add positive number 1. Similar, negative number 1, positive number 1. Because I want to create this one divided by denominator. So this one is about 4, 3. Y minus 4 divided by y minus 4. So we have number 1. This one we have 1 plus 1 over s minus 3. The integration of number 1, we have y plus the integration of 1 over y minus 4. We have ln of the absolute value of y minus 4. Number 1, that's about s. And we put about c, that's about the constant. Now we have the conditions. That means s equal to number 1, y equals to number 1. So we can find the value of c in here. So we put number 1 in here. So 1 eliminate number 1 in here. 1 minus 4 is about negative number 3. Negative number 2. So in this situation, we have ln number 3 equals to ln number 2. So ln number 2 we put on the left. We have negative ln number 2. And ln number 3 minus ln number 2, we can simplify into ln of number 3 divided by 2. And that is the value of c. So we return back to this one. So we put this one to replace for c. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.